The Tesla phone Model Pi features and insights. Elon Musk 2022. Right from the start, I was a daydreamer. And when I saw a few movies based on Mars, I knew what I wanted. I wanted to go to Mars. Straight for a week, I was on Mars in my dreams. Then the realization that it won't be happening in this lifetime. But as you would expect, Elon came to the rescue of the Dreams and Mars program. And now, in this era, where we can't live without smartphones, he's creating a phone that'll work on Mars as well. Want to know more about it? Well, stay tuned in the video. Welcome to Elon Musk Tube. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update on SpaceX, Tesla, Starship, or anything related to the multi-talented influential tech icon and billionaire Elon Musk. In today's video, we'll take a look at updated features on this futuristic smartphone. So without further ado, let's begin. So there were rumors circulating on the internet that Elon Musk's company Tesla will release its first smartphone in the near future, more like in this year of 2022. Considering that Tesla, led by its leader, loves to experiment and conquer new markets, their action is not at all surprising. And the concept of technology companies changing their areas of interest from time to time is quite common. Started as an internet company, Xiaomi is now one of the largest smartphone manufacturers in the world. Even manufacturing giants like Samsung and Apple did not start out as mobile phone companies. So why can't Tesla, a company which produces cars, manufacture its own smartphones? However, have you ever wondered what will happen if Tesla launches its own smartphone in the near future? There is a possibility that it may be tough to stand out among the giant competitors in the industry, or that it may once more prove to be a disaster for its peers in the industry, as history tells us that it is hard to dispute the impact Tesla has had and made on the electric car industry. Would you like to know if Tesla is prepared enough to take a stand on the market? What are the features that will stand out from the competitors? Well, Tesla is a brand that anyone can get behind, as it has impressively revolutionized the world's opinion on EVs, making them faster, sleeker, and more tech-enabled than their carbon-contaminating counterparts. Tesla's mission is to end our dependence on fossil fuels, a belief that touches us all. Tesla is more than just a car company. In addition to Tesla's next-generation technologies, it has many business opportunities for expansion into various fields. Tesla is also developing solar cells, power storage, artificial intelligence, and other technologies. So now, immediately following ADR's release of concept images in a video, strong rumors began circulating around the world that Tesla is indeed working on a smartphone. Right now, Apple, Samsung, and Huawei are the kings of the smartphone industry, and Samsung is the anti-iPhone for those who want to use a high-end phone. Samsung is also dominating the folding phone market with its latest clamshell and other folding devices. It begs the question, can the Tesla smartphone outperform these already established companies? As far as we are concerned, there's no doubt that it is possible. There's a very good reason behind this, and that reason is the genius brain of Elon Musk, the world's richest man. However, when it comes to a company like Tesla, you would expect that it would come with far more advanced technology and features. And this rumored Tesla Model Pi does not disappoint either. The Tesla phone is expected to come loaded with a lot of cool technology, just like the Tesla cars do. In September 2021, we got some rumors about Tesla working on a smartphone, but now it's been widely reported that Tesla will officially launch the Model Pi phone later this year, or maybe next year. While it's not clear exactly when or even if it will happen, the tech rumor mill is buzzing with rumors with Pi Talk, which by the way is a short form for Raspberry, which is a low-cost credit card-sized computer that plugs into a computer monitor or TV, and uses a standard keyboard and mouse. However, in contrast to what it's based on, there are also rumors that the Model Pi will have a brain phone interface from Neuralink, with tons of other features. And coming, let's start by discussing its design. So Tesla smartphone designer is Antonio De Rosa, an expert who has created exciting concepts for Apple products. The designer will make the phone in honor of Tesla and Starlink SpaceX. Many gadget market researchers note that the Tesla Model Pi looks like an iPhone 12. For example, the smartphone has 4 cameras in a square frame. The phone's sides are rounded with a silvery tint. However, the smartphone has several design differences. The gadget will have a case with a coating that can change color. How? The developers have created a photochromic coating that will shimmer with various pigments under the influence of sunlight. In the video of the presentation, The front camera is not visible on the renders. Experts believe that the front camera will be located under the display. Also, the developers are introducing a solar panel for recharging. The logo of the company and the model's name, the designer, decided to mark it on the back panel. I wouldn't want to even start getting into its features. They're mind-blowing and crazy all at once. Number 1. Starlink satellite connectivity. This feature includes support for Internet Starlink from SpaceX with download speeds up to 210 megabits per second. Starlink is one of the most important pet projects of Elon Musk and perfectly fits into the next generation smartphone. Tesla is closely linked to SpaceX, a private satellite launcher with ambitions to launch humans on Mars. Starlink, of course, seeks to build a network of low-orbit satellites to provide easy internet access anywhere, eventually sending more than 40,000 satellites into low Earth orbit. Native Starlink support for the Tesla Pi phone, if it does come out, is a widely expected feature. Number 2. Neuralink phone. The Model Pi is also rumored to have a brain phone interface from Neuralink. This means the phone will support Neuralink technology, which will read information from the head brain. The company controlled by Musk is developing ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine interfaces to connect humans and computers. Number 3. Phone for Mars. The Tesla Pi phone is rumored to be designed to work on Mars, not the cafe or theater or chocolate bar, but Mars the planet. Crazy, right? Well, we don't expect anything less from Elon Musk. Number 4. Solar powered. Tesla Mobile Pi can be charged entirely with sunlight. According to a recent press release, the phone has a solar panel on the back of it, allowing the smartphone to charge its battery from light using silicon semiconductors. In addition to all this, users can also use smartphones to mine Mars coin cryptocurrency. Thus, people will be able to earn virtual money by mining on their phones. And as you would expect, the smartphone will be able to sync with other Tesla devices. Isn't it amazing? Well, Tesla has always been ahead of its time, and this futuristic approach of Musk is one of the reasons behind his astonishing success. There's no doubt that these are really the areas of development for Elon Musk and his companies. But a single smartphone with such technology sounds doubtful for the world. However, the use of the word doubtful together with Elon Musk's name is not something new in the recent past, is it? In light of the fact that Tesla car has taken a huge place on the market and is becoming more and more popular every day due to its capabilities, it becomes obvious that the Elon Musk phone will revolutionize the mobile phone market, and it might be the new brand of Mars as well. But what do you think about the Tesla Model Pi's chance of standing up to other brands if it ever comes to that? Comment down your thoughts below. Hope you find the content interesting. And if you do, then please press the like button and share it with your friends. And don't forget to turn on the notifications to get notified as soon as we upload a new video. We'll see you in the next one, and until then, peace.